If you have a scanner, it's the best way to put the handbrake in maintenance mode before you replace the disc and pads or work on the brakes in any way. But it's a simple job if you haven't got one. You just need a 12-volt battery, a couple of leads, connect them up in this orientation, positive on the left, negative on the right, and it will wind in. I would just touch the cable to the battery and you'll hear it winding, but be ready to stop as soon as it stops, to disconnect it. Otherwise it could start to turn the piston. If it turns a little bit, you can use a pair of grips, just turn it back. It's not a big problem. And once you've done it, you can compress the piston however you want to do it. And then once you've maintained your brakes in any way, you can reset it just simply, once it's all built back together, by pressing the foot brake initially to clamp the pads onto the disc, and then operate the handbrake and it will reset to its correct position. And it works perfectly. I've done this 2 or 3 times now and there's no issues whatsoever. So I hope you found this video useful. I hope it's helped. And thank you for watching. I hope you'll click that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you.